In this video, we're going to look at this limit as x approaches 1 of 3ex minus 3e to the x all over x cubed minus 1. I'm noticing that just when I eyeball plugging that one and I'm getting a 0 in the denominator, so I'm wondering if I have a L'Hopital's rule here. So I'm going to start by just taking the limit of my numerator and denominator separately so I do not write out an indeterminate form. So 3e to x minus 3e to the x. So when I substitute in the 1, I get 3e times 1 minus 3e to the first. If I simplified that, it looks like I've got 3e minus 3e, which is in fact 0. So my numerator is 0. Let's look at the denominator. So the limit as x approaches 1 of x cubed minus 1, 1 cubed minus 1. 1 cubed is 1, minus 1 is 0. So my numerator and denominator are exactly this, are zeros. So that means that this is indeterminate form, which means I get to apply L'Hopital's rule. So I'm keeping the limit as x approaches 1 out front. I'm going to start taking my derivatives. The derivative of this first term, remember, 3 and e are numbers. X is just an x, so this would just be 3e. They're coefficients. Minus 3, and then the derivative of e to the x is e to the x. The derivative of the denominator would be 3 x squared, and then the 1 goes away because derivative of negative 1 is 0. Let's go ahead and plug in our 1 and see what happens. So I get 3e minus 3e to the first over 3 times 1 squared. Well, it looks like I have 3e minus 3e in the numerator. 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3. So it's looking like I have 0 over 3, or I do in fact find that the limit is 0. Remember, it is possible that you might have to do a second L'Hopital if you got indeterminate a second time.